In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a project in Asana from start to finish. First, open Asana and create a new project for your work. Choose a clear, outcome-focused name so everyone instantly understands what it's about. If you see template options that match your type of work, feel free to use one. Otherwise, start with a blank project so you can tailor it. Pick the layout you prefer. List for a straightforward checklist feel or board if you like a Kanban style flow, and confirm who should have access so the right people can see and contribute. Next, break the project into sections or phases. Think of these as the big buckets that represent how the work moves forward, such as planning, execution, and wrap up, or by sprints or work streams. Keep the section names short and descriptive. Good sections make it obvious where new tasks belong and help teammates scan the project quickly. Now add tasks for each step of the project. Every meaningful action a person needs to take should be its own task. Write task titles that start with strong verbs and clearly say what success looks like. If a task is complex, use the task description to add context. Paste links to relevant documents or attach files so everything is in one place. Assign each task to the right person. In Asana, one task should have one owner to prevent confusion. If others need to stay informed, add them as collaborators in the task details so they'll receive updates without owning the work. As you assign, double check that the workload is balanced and that each assignee understands their responsibilities. Add due dates, priorities, and details so people can act without chasing answers. Set realistic due dates and, if available, include start dates to show when work should begin. Apply your team's priority field, high, medium, or low, so it's easy to sort and focus. Use the description to outline requirements, acceptance criteria, or helpful notes. Attach files or link to specs and checklists so no one has to hunt for information. Finally, monitor progress using project views, comments, and task statuses. Switch between list, board, and timeline views to spot bottlenecks and see how work fits together over time. Encourage teammates to comment directly on tasks, to ask questions, share updates, and record decisions. Keep statuses current by moving tasks through your sections and marking them complete when finished. A quick daily sweep ensures your project stays accurate, visible, and on track. With these habits, your Asana project becomes a reliable source of truth from kickoff to completion.